पुलीस खात्याक दिल्ल्या 4 चाकी गाड्यांचे उक्तावण मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांचे हस्तुकी जाले। दुचाकी आनी 4 चाकी मेळिल्ल्यान पुलिशेक ताचो बरो उपेग जातलो म्हूण तो मुखार उलयला। ह्या वेळार क्रिमिनल ट्रॅकिंग नेटवर्क सेवेचे उक्तावण मुखेलमंत्री हांचे हस्तुकी जाले। पणजेच्यान RDX गोवा खातीर गौतम शिरोडकार।
The vehicle based on its performance with other police force. I hope the vehicle stands to its requirement. I think with this, Goa police doesn't have much to complain on vehicles. Because they will get 28 Robins, that means motorbikes. Which one it is? Right?
Hero Honda.
No. Splendor. Super Splendor, Hero Honda. So with that, I think the traffic and everything should come to a proper shape.
This is the best vehicle we could have got.
Two things will have to be done. One, the concept of FIR will have to be brought properly to the notice of people and media also. But they think that if some FIR is lodged, it means इसके खिलाफ lodge किया है, he is criminal. It need not be. FIR is the first information report. We have converted FIR into a actionable prosecution due to our misconcept about FIR. FIR is a first-hand information. I am saying this is very simple. Let us make this in a couple of years, maybe 1 year. The FIR to be lodged by the common citizen directly. Let him lodge the FIR. Then the police can screen it and convert it into actionable FIR or non-actionable FIR. If someone wants, you can call it pre-FIR, you can call it Shushu FIR, or you can call it preliminary complaint, whatever name you call it. But I think first concept in the mind of people, and then when media comes into picture, is a wrong notion of FIR should be corrected.
From the point of view of a citizen, is that our portal has a lot of citizen-centric services. Like RTI can be applied online, PCC verification can be done online, tenant verification can be done online, employee verification, servant verification, and there are another 6 or 7 services which the citizen portal will be providing to the common public as well as the tourists who are visiting Goa. It also has this citizen portal will also provide a platform where grievances against a police officer can also be submitted. Citizens can also report certain complaints online, and they can also give information on types of any type of illegitimate activities that are happening around their living dwelling places.